Vital signs of our body. Vital signs are measurement of the body's most basic functions. Maybe the body temperature, pulse or heart rate, respiration rate, blood pressure. These are the signs of life and four vital signs of our body. Body temperature. The temperature is a degree of heat maintained by the body. It is the balance between heat produced and the heat lost from the body. Normal body temperature for adults is in oral 37 degree centigrade or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Rectal or tympanic it is 37.5 degree centigrade or 99.6 degree Fahrenheit. Axillary temperature that is 36.4 degree centigrade or 97.6 degree Fahrenheit. Normal body temperature depends on when, where and in whom it is measured. The body has a regulatory system that keeps the core temperature normal and may vary depending upon the heat produced and the blood flow. Due to these slight fluctuation, our normal body temperature ranges between 36.1 degree to 37.2 degree centigrade, that is from 97 degree to 99 degree Fahrenheit. Fever, it is a pyrexia, is defined as the rise in the body temperature above 99 degree 0.5 degree or 37.2 degree centigrade. The pulse or heart rate. When the left ventricle contracts, it forces about 70 ml of blood into the aorta and the arteries. The walls of the arteries being elastic expand as an added amount of blood is forced into them. The arteries relax as the wave of blood pressure only to expand again with the next wave of blood. This expansion and relaxes recoil of arteries is the pulse and serves as an indication of frequency of the heart rate. Rate is the number of pulse beats in a minute. Normal pulse rate is heart rate 60 to 100 beats per minute. Average is 72 beats per minute. The pulse can be felt by the fingers on a point where an artery crosses a bone close to the surface of the skin, like radial artery in front of the wrist, temporal artery over the temporal lobe bone, carotid artery at the side of the neck, brachial artery above the elbow or inner side, femoral artery in the groin, tibial artery behind the medial malleolus, popliteal artery at the back of the knee, dorsal pedis artery on the foot. Pulse is defined as the checking rate, rhythm and volume of throbbing of an artery against a bone prominence. Respiratory rate. Respiration is the act of breathing in oxygen and breathing out of carbon dioxide. Respiratory rate is the number of times a person breathes in a minute. One breath include both inspiration and expiration. Normal respiration rate adult 12 to 20 breaths per minute. Tachypnea increases respiratory rate over 24 breaths per minute. Bradycardia is the decrease of respiratory rate less than breath per minute. The apnea is the total cessation of the breathing, and dyspnea is the difficult or labored breathing. Blood pressure, it is the measurement of the pressure of or force of blood against the wall of your arteries. Systolic pressure is the pressure in the arteries when the heart beat and pushes blood out to the body. Diastolic pressure is the pressure in the arteries when the heart rests between beats. Normal blood pressure for the healthy adult is 120 to 80 mmHg. A systolic pressure of 120 to 139 mmHg or a diastolic pressure of 80 to 89 mmHg is considered as pre-hypertension. Hypertension or high blood pressure is a blood pressure of 140 by 90 mmHg or higher. Hypotension or low pressure is a blood pressure lower than 90 by 60 mmHg.